Masoor Dal and liquid milk face pack. Masoor Dal. Soak the Masoor Dal for 2 hours, then blend it. Take 2 spoons of Masoor Dal in a bowl. Add 2 spoon liquid milk. Mix well. As a natural exfoliator, it removes acne and blackheads from the skin. In addition to serving as a natural bleaching agent, it helps to brighten your skin, giving you an even skin tone. Masoor Dal is particularly effective at removing lines and dark spots. It helps to minimize wrinkles and premature aging of the skin. Wash the skin well before applying the pack. Apply on the face and apply for 20 minutes. Masoor Dal face packs help nourish your skin and retain its glow and moisture. Masoor Dal is a natural face pack you can use to remove dirt and impurities from your skin. Milk to cleanse the skin or as a face mask can help treat acne as well as reduce inflammation associated with pimples. To give you clear. Masoor Dal helps to minimize wrinkles and premature aging of the skin. Rub this on your face for 20 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. Do this twice a week for better results.